Hi guys! So, we are starting off this week's vlog all made up. Sometimes I be looking crazy in my vlogs, I know, and then some days your girl has on makeup. Today, we have on makeup. So I just actually filmed, this is an awkward angle. I just filmed some content for Instagram. I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but Instagram rolled out this new feature where they pay influencers now to create reels. So yeah, you make money on your reels now, just the same way you would make money on YouTube and on Facebook and everything else. I did something similar to this program on Facebook Watch years ago. I got paid a nice chunk of change to create content for Facebook, and it was so just great. It was like right on time. I needed the money at the time back then. So they're kind of doing the same incentive where they pay you to post your reels. They're not paying as much as they were paying on Facebook, but I think the max you can make on Instagram is like $800. So if you're an influencer and you get offered the opportunity to do it, take it. It's just extra money, and if you upload reels anyway, you'll literally make money off them. So that's pretty cool. And when I did the Facebook one, it was way more than 800 bucks, but it is what it is. But this is just cool. So that's what I was doing. I was creating content for reels. What else was I doing? I took some pictures. I totally recommend, if you're some sort of influencer or content creator, taking like 1 to 2 days a week just to create content for different platforms. Ouch, that hurt my toe. I try and create content for all my platforms like 2 to 3 days a week. This is my full-time job now, so creating content is what I do. So 2 to 3 days a week I'm creating content, like actually filming, and then the other days I'm like editing, uploading, writing content. Sometimes I have TV shows to film, like talk shows and stuff like that. So sometimes that takes up my week. It just depends, like getting prepared for those types of things, because you know, lots of times I'm in talks with producers and we're talking about like different segments. So preparing segments, working on content for social. Then you got the blog, my website, and then I have other things going on. Like I have my vanilla extract brand. I also have my influencer marketing brand with my sister. Like I have so many things going on, you guys, but we are doing this because why not? You know what I mean? Like we might as well. What else do I have going on? I feel like I'm forgetting something. We've got influencer marketing, we've got vanilla extract, we've got just regular blogger content, YouTube. Oh, I don't even know how I forgot this. So yesterday I spent the entire day editing sports content, because a lot of people don't know that I went to Connecticut School of Broadcasting. I'm sure you know if you have been like a long-time follower of mine, but in that school we learned a lot about sportscasting, and that was mainly what a lot of my classes were about, like sports casting, whether it be radio, sports radio, TV, just whatever. We learned about how to broadcast sports. So I actually have that background. A lot of people don't know that. What is going on with my hair? It's like really not cooperating today. A lot of people don't know that. So I came across this opportunity where I could film sports games, edit them for clients and stuff like that, and I was just like, why not? You know what I mean? So I kind of do that on the side. It's another little side hustle I got going on. It's a lot. So filming and editing sports content, which it's actually coming out really, really nicely. It's cool. You know, I'm just doing all the things I love, and I think this video is important. This isn't even that kind of video, but it's just so important to, let me sit down and talk to you guys, because wait, So, like I was saying, it is so important to just exercise your God-given talents. I really believe in that. I know that's so hard for people to grasp that concept sometimes, because some people feel like they don't have talent, but everybody has some sort of talent. Everybody has a God-given gift, like all of us. Every last person on this earth has a God-given gift, and I think we really should tap into those. I'm not saying that they're gonna make everybody money. Some gifts are not things that you can monetize, which is fine. But whatever your purpose is, whatever your gift is, definitely try and tap into that. And the way you're going to do that is through getting to know the Lord, getting to know Jesus. For me, that is what's been happening to me. I kind of always knew what I wanted to do. I feel like God put it on my heart years ago, but I feel like now I'm in a space where I can really tune in to my gifts and really sit down and have my quality time with God. I've been dedicating more time to talking to God and just really listening to his voice and listening to the word and reading the word, because that's the best way to communicate with God, in my opinion, is by reading the word. So for me, doing that has changed my life so much in the last few, I would even say few weeks. It's just been insane. Like, so many things have just changed for me in the last few months just by following God alone. And it can be scary. I'm not even going to sit here in front to you guys. It's absolutely terrifying. It's not easy. Your nature, by instinct, you're going to want to do what you want to do. You're going to want to do your own thing. Listening to the voice of God has helped me so much more. It's been way more beneficial than listening to my own voice and doing my own thing. So I highly recommend developing a relationship with God. And I'm not about religion, you guys. You know that about me. I'm more about relationship. I just believe in that wholeheartedly. And I've seen how much things have changed for me over the last few months by really going full force. You guys already know this. If you're new to my channel, you know that I love the Lord. I love Jesus. I'm a Christian. So if you're not with this content, then get to know him, because you will love him just like I do. Get to know him. I'm telling you guys, it's an amazing experience. Everything you guys are seeing come to fruition right now is because of God. So yeah, I've put in the work. I have been busting my butt for years on YouTube, on social media, but my life is so much more than just that. And I am excited to share more of my life with you guys. I'm excited to open that side up. I was not this transparent in the past on my channel, and I think it was just because I was trying to follow trends and stay in a certain like YouTube bubble, and it just wasn't me. So I wasn't loving YouTube. But being more authentic, just being me, it feels so much better than trying to fit in with all the rest of this like YouTube stuff. So that's where I'm at right now. I don't know why we're doing this random life update, but why not? It's a random vlog. But yeah, so I hope that you guys are enjoying the content. Please let me know. If you are, comment below. Just, you know, just leave me a comment and just tell me, you know what I mean? Like, I respond. So I would love to hear what you guys want to see. I haven't been creating beauty content as much because it's just not something that I'm as into these days. When I'm inspired to create a beauty look, then I will. But most of the time I'm out here just doing other things, like building my brands. And I've always known that I was gonna be like some sort of media mogul. Like, I've always known that. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I have my media brand, I have my vanilla, I have so much going on. So that is where my focus is right now. So you're going to see more lifestyle and everyday me content than you are like beauty and fashion, although I still love those things. So you will see that content. You're just not going to see it as much as you used to on my channel. So just a heads up. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and really quickly just chat and just say thank you to everybody who supports me and everybody who's been riding with me all this time. And if you are still here and paying attention, because I know there's a lot of y'all, but I feel like there's more. I just feel like you guys don't get to see my content because I feel like YouTube isn't posting it. I don't know. But either way, I still put out the videos. I'm just like, you know, whatever. So yeah, if you guys want to check out all the things I have going on, I'll put them underneath this video. I have my influencer collaborative that I started with my sister, which is basically us doing one-on-one coaching and teaching you guys how we got in the game as influencer, and as how I got in the game as an influencer, and how she got in the game as a PR professional and an influencing marketing professional. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. So if you're interested in any of those things, they're always linked below. So yeah, I'm gonna go Sorry this video is so random and so long, but I just like to get on here and chat, like just have a little chit chat, little talk. I don't like to be super formal anymore on my channel. I'm super informal. It's just a bunch of random content, and I like it that way because I feel like it's more authentic, it's more real, and I feel like we're lacking that in this social media world these days. So why not be genuine, you know what I mean? So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I'm about to make some dinner. I'm gonna make some salmon, some basmati rice, and some green beans, because that's what I have here, and I need to go food shopping. So yeah, love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next vlog. Bye.